Many parts today are going into paint. What we're doing now is just painting a sealer onto the windshield frame, and we'll have a grill. We have front fenders and we have aprons in there. This is going to be a very unique color. It's going to be a Land Rover metallic, lucid metallic green, year 2007-2008. So we'll be posting this, and this will be a pretty different and special color. Just got this back from Line-X. Body work's been completed, it's been primed, training cover's been installed, and it will be going into paint very soon. Line-X is just a great thing. It makes the whole firewall, floor, underneath the part of the truck just so much more durable.